Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing using Digistore24. We're going to find a product to promote after we register and get an account. Then what we're going to do is we're actually going to take a look at the affiliate information page that the product is going to provide, because all good products that you find, if they're a good product, the first thing they're going to have is good affiliate resources. We're going to grab our affiliate link. Then we're going to move over to GroovePages inside of GrooveFunnels, as well as GrooveMail, build an email list and a squeeze page, and put our potential customers that we find using good high quality traffic that we're going to create on YouTube onto an email list so we can follow up with them to continue promoting this product and others that we might be able to find that are good on Digistore24. Let's get into it right now. Here we are on the computer, Digistore24. If you don't have an account, click register now. That's going to take you here where you can register for free. It's simple as signing up, creating a username, popping in your email address, adding your name, your address, as well as some other information, and clicking register for free now. Once you get your account, you'll be inside. You can go to the marketplace. You have all the different products and categories that are for sale here. We're going to pop down to software, and we're going to take a look at online reputation software right here with a lifetime recurring commission. You can see here the earnings, $638 per sale, as well as your link. We're going to be needing that link right there, so we're going to copy that because we're going to be using that inside of our squeeze page, and we're going to get some more information here at the affiliate support page by clicking on that link right there. That's going to take you over to the affiliate support page for this product, and you can see right here you can subscribe and you can get more information, high quality information here that you should subscribe to get notified about other affiliate promotions, some other great information here, as well as when you scroll down here, you're going to get some sales funnel information, some email swipes. We can use those inside of our email autoresponder. For example, we'll just highlight some of this right here, and we'll copy and paste that into our email to follow up with our subscribers that we put on our list, as well as you can see here some of the sales pages where we could get some great headline ideas for our squeeze page, again, that we're going to build inside of GroovePages. So what's this going to look like? We're going to create content on YouTube to attract our potential customer, and then once our potential customer watches our content, they're going to land on our landing page via the link that we put inside of the description on YouTube. Once they land on our landing page, we're going to add them to our email list when they sign up to get our free information, and that's going to redirect them over to the affiliate offer order page, and that link is going to be our affiliate link where we're actually going to be able to earn our commission. So now let's jump into GrooveFunnels and take a look at exactly what this looks like. So if you don't already have one, there's a link in the description. You can grab your free account for GrooveFunnels. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into GrooveMail, and we're going to build an email list where we're going to grab our leads as they land on our landing page when they click on our link from YouTube. We're going to go ahead and we're going to build a list right here. We're going to say new list, and we're simply going to call that Digistore24. Name this as needed, as it makes sense to you. Of course, we'll need a description field here. That's a requirement. Go ahead and create that list. Now we have that list created. You can see here we have no contacts. So we're going to go down and create a form, and we're going to connect this form to that list. And the form is the sign up form we're going to add to our page inside of GroovePages. Simply come over here, click new form, name that Digistore24. We'll save that right there. Form fields, email, first name. Of course, you can rearrange these, first name, email. You can also add new fields right there. More videos, link in the description on how to use all this software inside of GrooveFunnels. Go ahead, click Save Next. Single opt-in, and the success page is where we're going to add our affiliate link. Just to make sure we're all on the same page again, our potential customers are finding our content on YouTube that we're creating about this product, how useful it is, the features, the benefits. Then they're going to land on our landing page with the link that we put in our description and our pinned first comment inside of YouTube. And on our landing page, we're going to have our affiliate link redirect over to the affiliate offer order page as they sign up for the free thing that we're going to give them, which is simply the information or the redirection to the affiliate offer order page. And when they click on that link, it's going to add them to our email list as well as redirect them automatically. And you're going to see that in action as we go ahead and add that. But before we do that, we're going to go back to the Digistore24 marketplace, the online reputation software that we're promoting right here. Of course, this is our affiliate link. We're going to go ahead and we're going to copy that and go back to GroovePages. Here we are in GrooveFunnels and inside of GrooveMail, where we're going to put that success page URL. Again, we did our form fields, run the opt-in settings. Under opt-in, we said single opt-in. We're saying once they opt in, we're going to redirect them on successful opt-in to our affiliate link. We're going to save and next. Here we're going to send an email, and we're going to have a subject line, and we're also going to have an email right here, and we're also going to include our affiliate link in that email. So to get this email, we could write this ourselves, which is the best option, or we can go back and we can grab the swipe email that they provided in the affiliate promotions page. So again, here is the affiliate promotions page, and as you can see, if you remember, there were email swipes on this page. And what we're going to do is we're simply just going to grab this subject line, this subject body, and we're just going to copy that into our buffer and then paste that in over on GrooveMail. We'll go ahead and we'll copy that, go back to GrooveMail, and simply just paste that in. And then of course, your name here, edit that to put your name, right? Link to your website. You could take that out, put that in right here, say take that out. Now you have the link right there. Of course, edit this email to make it fit what you're saying. Of course, the subject line right here needs to come out and go in the subject line. And then of course, remove the subject line and anything like subject body that just doesn't look right. And of course, first name here is going to need to match right here. As you can see, the brackets are a little different, so make sure you have that correct, or this automated variable will not work. Go ahead and save and next. List and tags, here's where you're actually going to add them to the list by clicking add. Now when they enter their information, they're going to be subscribed to our Digistore24 list. We're going to go ahead and save and next. This code right here we're going to need when we build our squeeze page, which is next. It is the raw HTML code, so we'll go ahead and copy that into our buffer, save and next. Now we have our form, and that is connected to our list. Again, 0 active contacts. Let's go ahead and build our squeeze page. To do that, we'll go back to the main dashboard of GrooveFunnels, go into GroovePages. Inside of GroovePages, of course, you can create 3 free sites. We'll go ahead and create a new site. We'll stick with the free templates, and we'll keep this really simple and go here and select a simple landing page. We'll call this Digistore24, and we will start building. Of course, here you would delete any elements you don't need. You would change your headline to be an actual, real, super cool headline. Something like this, get the free thing. Of course, again, make it what it says on the affiliate page. Let's pop back to the affiliate page to just get a better idea of what a headline could look like. Of course, here we got our email swipe, but we can scroll down here and we could actually attract new customers, increase revenue with our bird eye special. So, discover how to attract new customers, increase revenue would be a good headline. Or we can go back up to our email and we could look in our email and get some ideas. The strange solution to your awful online reputation. We'll go ahead and we'll just copy that. Then we'll go back to GroovePages. And how about that as a headline? There you go. The strange solution to your awful online reputation. So now what we're going to do is we want to actually get rid of this form and we want to add in the form from GrooveMail. Go ahead and delete these. And what we want to do is once we get rid of all this, we want to add our GrooveMail form in right here. And to do that, we're going to go into Elements. And we're going to scroll down until we get to Others. And we're going to use the code embed element. That landed right there. We simply just need to move that down by clicking our handle right there, drag it down. Now here what we'll do is we'll click on the cogwheel and we will paste in the code that we copied from GrooveMail and our form. Of course, if you don't remember where that's at, it's under GrooveMail, it's under Forms. Click on Forms, go under Digistore24, which is our form, go under Actions, click Get Code, Raw HTML, click Next. Simply click the copy, embed code copy to your clipboard, go back to GroovePages, and simply paste that code in right there. Save. Now we'll go here and we will publish this, host with us on GroovePages, and we'll say Digi24, and we'll go ahead and we'll publish that. Content saved, go ahead and click on that link. Now right here we have our link. Of course, subheadline goes right here, delete that. The strange solution to your awful online reputation. Here is our form. We'll go ahead and we'll say our first name, we'll give it an email, we'll click submit. And again, what's going to happen is this is going to be added to our email list, or that email from our potential customer is going to be added to our email list, as well as they were automatically redirected over to the sales page. And if and when someone makes a purchase right here, we will earn that commission from the product that we're promoting. In this case, that is for sale on Digistore24. So here we are back inside of GrooveMail. What we'll do is we'll close this, because now what we want to do is go under leads. We want to look at our list, and we want to verify that yes, now we do have an active contact. Click on leads, and you will see that right there is the contact, the email address, as well as the lead name. Now let's see if we actually received that email. So here we are in the email. Of course, the strange solution to your awful online reputation. This is the email we created. You can see right here, Gary, just like you, I used to suffer. Of course, this is everything that we pasted in right there. And there is our affiliate link. If they were to click on that again, it would take them back to the sales page, and we would earn that commission. So again, your potential customer is going to be on YouTube. You're going to be making YouTube videos about the software. If you don't know what that looks like, let's take a quick look at that so you can understand exactly how that's going to work. Of course, what we're talking about is online reputation management software. Go ahead, type that in, hit search. You're going to see here there are ads running for that keyword, which means that it is a money-making niche. Otherwise, people would not be spending money on running ads. You'll see some videos right here. For example, if we were to click on this video and this was the video you were making, how to get 5-star Google reviews and how to use the software to do it, if that is the case, then you would simply create the video, and under show more, you would do like they're doing here. You would say the software mentioned in this video, and you would put your link right here. And of course, when they clicked on that link, it would do what I'm showing you right here. They would click on that link in your YouTube video, land on your landing page, which is the squeeze page that we built for free inside of GrooveFunnels and GroovePages. They would be added to your email list, which was the email list that we built again for free inside of GrooveFunnels, inside of GrooveMail. And then once they click on that, all that is automatically going to redirect them off the landing page over to your affiliate offer order page, as well as they're going to get a follow-up email, and they'll have another opportunity to click back to the affiliate offer order page where you will have the potential to earn your commission. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Just like the videos you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.